Hey agents, I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and coach, and today I'm helping you make an awesome branded landing page to bring in some free leads while you're doing something else. It's the best, right? Who wouldn't want to duplicate themselves to pick up some extra time? So let's get to it. This is part 1 of 3 videos, so you'll have a way to capture leads while you sleep. To do that, you'll need to share your completed landing page links everywhere on your social media, in your description of your YouTube videos, in your emails, and on all of your promotions. How a landing page works. A landing page entices viewers with some sort of free value that they want to have. They put their information into the landing page to get that information for themselves. Your landing page is connected to your CRM with a unique hashtag identifier. So when someone enters their information, it is automatically put into your CRM and you are notified. Go one step further and have your CRM automatically begin an email campaign to nurture your new lead into being a client. Custom landing page photo. Like I said, there's 3 videos to explain this procedure. And while it might seem complicated at first, once you get the lay of the land, you'll see it's actually quite simple. But if it makes you feel overwhelmed, then join our team, Smart Agent Alliance at eXp Realty, because we make your first branded landing page for you for free, complete with your picture when you join our team. So you can be collecting leads while you're onboarding at eXp. And hey, better yet, we also provide more landing pages, all complete with an automated email drip campaign that gets going automatically and nurtures your leads into becoming clients, all while you're doing something else. That's right. If you're not taking advantage of these tools, you're not only missing out on clients, you're working too hard, and you're falling behind in today's competitive agent market. By the way, when you join our team at Smart Agent Alliance, you're also part of the Wolf Pack, and you get all our free value and all of the Wolf Pack's free value, plus everything that's exclusively eXp awesome, which is why eXp is the only publicly profitable brokerage in the last 5 years. That's right. We offer more free value than anyone else in the real estate industry is offering. If you haven't checked out our free benefits page on our website, you are missing out. So face the music, learn about what you're missing, and join us while you still can. Click the links in the description to find out why. Oh, like I said, I'm doing 3 videos on this landing page topic. What you'll need is access to Canva Pro and the BoldTrail CRM, used to be called KV Core. Did you know that agents pay up to $500 a month for this CRM, BoldTrail? But it's included with tons of other tools and eXp's $85 monthly fee. And by the way, I did the math on how much I'm saving by being an eXp agent with all the stuff that I'd have to pay for if I was at a different brokerage. And that alone is $1,100 a month. That's right, I'm saving $1,100 a month. Plus, I get tons of things that no one else has. I know, I believe eventually all agents are gonna join us here at eXp. 3 video parts. Okay, sorry for the sidetrack conversation. Here's the 3 parts to come. The first one is to make a Canva branded photo for any landing page. The second one is to give your custom branded photo a URL so that you can use it in the BoldTrail landing page. And then 3, you're gonna build your landing page in BoldTrail. Let's get to the first topic. So the first thing you're gonna do is go here to canva.com to create this. And by the way, at eXp Realty, you get Canva Pro for free. And I am gonna be using Canva Pro to make this branded picture. So you are going to create a design. We'll click here, and you're going to want the project to be a custom size. And for these, I always choose the same thing as a YouTube video, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. And now I'm gonna hit create a new design. So here is the board I'm working with. The next thing I'm going to want to do is choose a picture. I will do that by going to Elements here on the side, elements, I'm going to search documents, and this is going to be a buyer guide. So I'm gonna look for home buyers. I'm gonna put in, here's some pictures. I'm gonna hit see all because I do want pictures, not videos, not graphics. I want something that captures people, their attention. All right, so I'm gonna go through some of these. Oh, you know what? I love this one. So I'm gonna choose that, and then I'm going to stretch it out to fill the space. You know, actually I'm gonna choose something different because I already know that the words for this landing page are gonna end up basically in this area here and then up here. And I don't really wanna put a bunch of writing over their faces. Also, I'm gonna be adding myself to this, and I'll mainly be over here. So that might be a bit much. So I'm gonna look for a cleaner picture instead. Okay, I think I will go with this one. Nice and clean. And I'm just gonna stretch it out like I said before, basically like where that is landing. Obviously it's about, you know, having a key to a house, so it's a new home buying. And now I need to add my picture. To do that, I'm going to go over to uploads, which is again on this left panel. I'm gonna click uploads, find a picture of myself. I'm going to do that by just putting my name in the top. Now, so I already have pictures on this. Otherwise, you can just upload files and pull something in from your computer. So I'm going to, this is fairly white, so I don't think I want to be wearing white in it. So I think I will choose just the opposite. And then in order to cut out the background, which is something that is you must have Canva Pro for, which is about $10 a month or so. Like I said, it's included at EXP, so you don't have to pay anything extra for it. But you'll want to cut it out, which like I said, you cannot do it without Canva Pro. And what you do is hit this edit button here and then go down to background remover, which is BG remover, and that will get rid of the background quite quickly. There we go. I'm gonna put myself down and make myself a lot bigger. Okay, now I'm gonna do some further adjustment behind this picture just so I pop from the back of the picture that's behind me. So again, I'm going to hit edit, and this time I'm going to choose shadows. I like the glow feature. See how you can see a little bit of black around me? I often do this in white, so if the background is dark, I will do this glow in white. But right now you can see it's down here where it shows black. And if I wanted to change it to white, I would just click on it and change it to white. But I'm gonna leave it as black. I do wanna adjust it a little bit more though, so it's a little more intense. So I'm gonna pull that down up to be more intense, and I'm gonna make it blurred a little bit more. That always changes the sizing, and then I do want to make it a little bigger. It'll be easier for me to make it bigger if I pull this handle in. And I'm gonna move it down and pull the other one that was on top down too, because again, it'll make it easier for me to make it bigger. And then I'm just gonna stretch the corner to get it back to where I want it to be and put it on the side. Okay, I like that. Now all I'm gonna do is title this landing page. And by the way, I'm not gonna say exactly which landing page it is, because when I come back in here again to do another landing page, instead of having a whole new area, all I'm going to do is go down here and hit the plus sign and add it all to this one. That way I'll have a nice little neat folder in Canva with all my landing pages in one place, which can be useful because as I choose these pictures of myself, I don't want them to be the same in every one, and that way I'll see a panel across the bottom here that will show me all the prior ones that I've been using. It's just convenient. And then you can also save this into a folder and call it landing pages as a project. And you do that over here on this panel here. See how the projects are there? Well, actually, that's not where you do it. That's where you'd find it. Where you do it is up here on File. You click File here, and that's a drown. And the drop down, you'd go to Move a Folder. And if this doesn't have a name yet, then you'd create it new and make a landing page folder. Okay, so back to this project. Now all we need to do is save it. So we're going to hit share, and then we want to download this. I think a good thing for anything you're posting on the internet is just a regular JPEG file. And then I'm right in front of the download button, but it's right here. So I'm gonna hit download, and you can see it's downloading it, and now it's going to be in my downloads right here. And I'm going to take this and put it on my computer, and next I'll show you how I get it into my CRM so that it's useful. I hope that was helpful. Be sure to check out parts 2 and 3 of this landing page video series. To learn more about eXp Realty and our free sponsor team, here are some more videos which should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.